Hello everyone! Today, we are going to discuss some amazing foods that not only taste good, but also cleanse your blood vessels and keep your heart healthy. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that help maintain a healthy body and optimal blood circulation. First up is the avocado. This superfood is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce the bad cholesterol in your blood, while also improving the good cholesterol levels. The potassium in avocados also works wonders in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Next on our list is the salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body, and therefore reduce the chances of cardiovascular issues. It is also rich in vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining strong blood vessels. The spinach, as we all know, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is packed with vitamin K, which is essential for proper blood clotting and therefore reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Spinach is also a great source of iron, which is essential for maintaining oxygen-rich blood in our body. Another great food for your heart health is the olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce the bad cholesterol in your blood. It is also a great source of antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. And last but not least, the banana. This tropical fruit is rich in potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Bananas are also low in calories and rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. In conclusion, incorporating these amazing foods into your daily diet not only tastes great, but also keeps your heart and blood vessels healthy. So, go on and enjoy these delicious foods while taking care of your heart health.